Hello everyone! Every recommendation you'll hear in this video comes from specialized technicians at this appliance repair shop with years of experience, so let's solve this issue together. When your washing machine shows the F1 code, don't worry, this error is more common than it seems and doesn't always mean a serious problem. At the shop, we've inspected several machines with this issue, and we've also checked forums and customer feedback to explain what's happening and how to fix it in a simple way. When customers come to the shop, many tell us things like, the washer won't start and F1 shows up on the display immediately. Others mention that the error appears intermittently, which makes us think it could be a problem with the wiring or the communication between the panel and the main control board. That's why we start by checking the connections between the control panel and the main board. With daily use, wires can loosen or accumulate dust, causing the washer to misinterpret signals. One customer told us, I checked the wires and secured them properly, and the washer started working instantly. As one of our technicians says, if the board doesn't receive the correct signal from the panel, F1 appears immediately. Most of the time, just adjusting or cleaning the wires solves the problem. We also always check the main electronic control board. Even if the wires are properly connected, the board can have internal faults or damaged capacitors that interrupt communication with the panel. Some customers on forums mention that after replacing the board, the washer worked perfectly again, showing that in certain cases, the fault is more serious but identifiable. We also evaluate the control panel itself. If a button or internal circuit fails, the board can receive incorrect signals and trigger F1. Several customers told us that after replacing just the panel, the error disappeared, which shows that it's not always necessary to replace the entire board. Additionally, we check the internal sensors and associated wiring. Some models have water level or speed sensors that send information to the board. If these sensors fail or their wires loosen, the system interprets a communication fault and displays F1. At the shop, we've seen customers surprised to find that simply securing a wire or checking a sensor restored the washer to perfect working order. Finally, we pay attention to the integrity and cleanliness of the connectors. Moisture or accumulated debris can prevent contacts from transmitting the signal correctly to the panel, causing F1. One technician at the shop explains, sometimes just cleaning the connectors and securing the wires brings everything back to normal.